In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create realistic smoke and cloud effects in Photoshop. First, let's create the smoke effect. In this image, we want to add smoke coming out of a cup of tea. To create the smoke, choose a smoke image with a black background, just like this one. Now press Ctrl+I to invert it. This turns the background white and makes the smoke dark, which works perfectly for creating a brush. Next, go to Edit. Define brush preset. Give your brush a name. Let's call it Smoke. And click OK. Now, move back to the main document. First, create a new layer. Your smoke brush will be automatically selected. If not, then manually select the brush tool. Pick a color for your smoke and adjust the opacity. Then, simply click on the cup and you'll see a nice soft smoke effect rising from it. If you want to increase or decrease the smoke size, you can adjust the brush size. For a quick shortcut, use the curly brackets on your keyboard. Press the right bracket to increase the brush size and the left bracket to decrease it. Let's make a smaller brush and click again to add lighter smoke. Now we have a more natural, layered smoke effect. The best thing about this method is that you can control the smoke color easily. Just select a different color, for example, blue, and click again to instantly create colored smoke. Now, to blend the smoke more naturally with the cup, lower the layer opacity and add a layer mask. Select a soft round brush. Adjust the size and hardness. And gently erase the bottom part of the smoke so it fades nicely into the tea. And that's it. We've created a beautiful, realistic smoke effect. Now, let's move to this image here. We'll add clouds to the sky. Choose a cloud image that has a black background with white clouds. Press Ctrl+I to invert it. Now, just like before, go to Edit, define brush preset, name it Cloud, and click OK. Move back to the document, create a new layer, and adjust the brush opacity. Click on the sky to add clouds wherever you want. You'll instantly see the white clouds appear with a soft, realistic look. If you want to make the clouds brighter or thicker, increase the opacity to 100%. Set your brush color to white. And click again. You can keep changing the brush size and opacity to create a variety of clouds for a natural effect. And that's it. We've successfully created both smoke and cloud effects using simple custom brushes in Photoshop. So, in this tutorial, we learned how to create custom brushes from smoke and cloud images and use them to design realistic steam, smoke, or cloud effects in Photoshop. You can easily adjust the color, opacity, and size to match any scene or design style.